Hello, today I have a MacBook that makes a clicking sound when opened after we installed a new keyboard, and I found out that it's actually this antenna bracket is not lined correctly. So if we take a look inside, you can see that there's a thin gasket right there where it's supposed to sit, where it's not sitting. And so when we open it, it actually rubs against the case and makes that clicking sound when you open the computer up. So we just need to make an adjustment so that this works correctly. So I've taken the antenna out, and as you can see here, it's actually a little bit bent here in the middle, right there in the center. So all we need to do is bend it back. And see, there's the slot one more time. And see here, I've bent it back a little bit just to make putting it in easier. And so here I've slid it into the correct slot and putting it back together, and now it no longer makes a clicking sound when opened and closed.